go. Yeah, we're down at Strawfields. I was on the bottom, saw the fish were way up in the water, so first caught surface carp of the year made up. And there's its other side, as you can see, lovely scaly fish. Felt like a demon, so I'll get it back, spawn some more risers and slickers out there, and then see if I can get another one. Happy days. Hey guys, been Jules this morning filming his multi-rigs. Originally we were going to do it in the afternoon, but he's had a bit of an emergency and had to do it this morning, which has given me the afternoon free, and I've come down to Strawfields to try and get a few. Now, I started on the bottom, it was a bit overcast, wind was blowing, lovely wind was blowing, and unfortunately nothing materialised, and I saw a few on the surface, so I just started pinging out a little mix here. I don't know if you can, there we go, which is just risers, slickers and cat biscuits. Yeah, we got a few going on the surface. I was getting a bit frustrated because surface fishing is not my forte, but the fish that I got going to the left of me were having none of it, and I saw a few fish over on the other side of the lake, so I put a spom out to them, started mullering it straight away, put a rig over, 30 seconds later, boom, nailed that lovely linear fish that you saw. Linear with a couple of extra scales, but yeah, made up, really made up. Yeah, the rig's back out, and I lost one within another 5 minutes of casting out, so fish close in. So I'm going to persevere for a little bit longer. There's fish having it down there again. I think putting the rig back down there, it could be a little bit interesting though from this peg. Shall see. Right guys, that's it from me. Just want to show you quickly what I used to have that little fishy. A little Fox medium controller. That's tied straight to my main line, and because I'm such an awesome surface angler, I use my awesomeness sparingly. Obviously I'm not very good. I don't have any dedicated tackle, so I've got a 16-pound extra set, yeah, because that's proper carpy, and my 3.5-pound test curve rods. I mean, that's probably why I'm no good at this surface fishing like this, because I don't use the right tackle. And maybe it's time to invest. There we've got the little Fox controller, a little anti-tangle sleeve on there, and then the business end. It's pretty simple. Tied a size 6 SR hook directly on, and then we've got a little side hooked, I suppose it's a riser imitation hook bait that comes in with the risers. It's more a slicker size, you know, dog biscuit size hook bait. So yeah, that's it. Time for tea. I think I'll have some Edge Spagwell, which is bang on for a Sunday evening. Hopefully you can hear me. This wind ain't affecting the microphone too much. And yeah, see you soon guys.